Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 16th July 2025, Wednesday, Animasam 32, Vishwasunama Samvalsaram, Uttarayanam, Grishma Rudau, Animasam, that is Midhuna Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 8:45 p.m. Shashti, then Saptami, Saumya Vasaram, that is Wednesday, Nakshatram up to 6:15 a.m. Pururutadi, then Uttratadi. Today's Yogam, Shubha Yogam, then Rahugalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Yamagandam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Today's good time 9 to 10 a.m. then 2 to 3 p.m. Sunrise 6:1 a.m. Chandrashtam for Simharashi. Shulam North. Prayachittam Milk. Today's Radha Tithi Shashti. And today's Uttratadi, and our monthly Uttratadi festival is going on. Monthly date is special puja is going on. All blessings from Ma Mookambika. The pictures which you saw is actually yesterday's special puja, Vinayagar Abhishekam and Kuber Lakshmi Homam, and Parayanam by a lot of devotees in and around our temple. All blessings from Ma Mookambika.